Do not be afraid of death. Our religion teaches us to be always prepared for death. We face it bravely. Save the honor of Pakistan and Islam. There is no better salvation for a Muslim than the death of a martyr for a righteous cause. Do your duty and have faith in God.